Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to another Chart Nerd TA video. I'm diving into Algorand today, looking on the smaller time frames. And from this crash that we've had here, okay, from this high to this low, you can see, we had a massive 43% sort of capitulation. If you look at the daily time frame, within 2 days, you came down 40%, and it was quite a ferocious drawdown. Similar to the rest of the market, but altcoins at the moment are still, some of them are still holding their lows, some of them already lost them. So it's very hard to say. I think at the moment, with the current climate and everything going on sorry, in regards to exchanges and just there's so much going on. I mean, I'm not very well at the moment. I'm finding it hard to keep up with everything and just giving my head a bit of rest. And just taking myself off socials for a little bit. This will be the only update I do get out today. By the way, guys, I'm really under the weather. It's my birthday tomorrow as well, and I don't think I'm going to be doing much. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna keep doing this though, and keep doing what I love. And yeah, I do apologize if I don't get as many updates as I would like to out within the next few days. But yeah, I do intend to hopefully pick up on that. So straight away for Algo, okay, what I'm looking at here, you've got this low that we came down to. You can see that Algo came to 25 cents, okay, and so forgive me, I do believe we actually put in a lower low than our. Yeah, sorry, forgive me. I think I did previously say that we were still holding our low. We haven't actually, we came down and we lost our area of support at 28. Okay, that was our foundational support. We came down below it, but you can see we've come straight back up. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see from this low, we're tracing back up to this high here, because you started to come down for the EMAs. You was holding the EMAs, and then you turn the EMAs into resistance at this point. Okay, and this is where you sort of had that flash crash within a couple of days. Now, so I think from this point, retracing to this point here at 40 cents, okay, you've come up, and right now we've ran into the 050 at 32 cents, okay, and we're coming back down. Equally, we're rejected by the 4-hour 20 EMA. Right now, the only bit of hope that we have here, I think, for Algo to maintain and sort of come back for a higher low and continue to the upside, is if we are sort of coiling up in this level of support here between the 050, this horizontal level of support, and this ascending level of support. If Algo can maintain this and start to put in some sort of double bottom here and come out and tackle above 32 cents, I do think you'd have a long opportunity on your hands on the 4-hour from the neckline down to the head, the level of support. And you can see if you do start to tackle above the 050, you are going to work your way back up to this 40 cent area, and essentially then you're starting to come back up to the prices that you was at before you even came down, and this would just be some sort of V flash recovery for the crypto markets. The DXY at the moment's crashing, which is very nice to see. I think it's come down to levels it hasn't been at since August. Yeah, so a few months ago. So it's quite nice to see that. But obviously, what tends to happen with that is when the DXY comes down, you start to see Bitcoin rally. But with all this news that's come out, we've had the complete opposite, and it's just a bit ironic at the timing of it, to be fair. But anyways, moving forward, what we need to see Algo do here, sorry, do forgive me, guys, I'm really not well. We need to see Algo coil up in this ascending triangle, breakout, and if you do start to tackle above 32 cents, you're looking to push up to the 41 cent area, back up to this 1 fib at this high that you actually came down from. Okay, but you've got a lot in the way. You've got this EMA that you're getting rejected by at the moment, okay, the 20. Then you've got the 55, which sits at the 06182. So you've got resistance above. You have got a lot of resistance above. You've lost the EMAs. You're coming up to them, looking to bounce and continue the trend and meet them as resistance. So what's my downside targets? Well, on the 4-hour, the downside targets for me would be, this is in the near short term. I think it's very, very hard to predict what's going to be happening in the near mid-term, to be fair. So just keeping it on the 4-hour time frame today, guys. But for me right now, what I'm looking for here, if we start to come down, we lose this 050 and the 0618, the 28 cents of support. If we lose that support and do start to come back to this 25 and potentially retest this low, I think you are going to get a reversal wave where you potentially will come up again and then start getting pushed down to these lower targets here, i.e. at 23 cents and 21 cents between the 1272 and the 1618. So it's very important that we hold this area of support. Okay, it's very important that we hold that area of support for Algo. Again, just to get that on from there to there, we do need to hold 28 cents roughly, okay, between 28 and 27 cents, high 27s and low mid to high 28s, okay. This is an area where you want to see a confirmational bounce and get this push back up to the 1 fib, okay, at 32, because then what you'd be doing, you'd be bouncing off support, okay, and you'd have this double bottom. So that's our only hope at the moment, okay, coming back for support and retracing back up to this high that we're currently being rejected from. At that point, the EMAs would be coming down, okay, and I think you'd retest the 55, potentially you come back for a higher low, and if you do break out the 32 cents, as I've said, you're retracing back up to this 40 cent area. But if you start to lose, okay, if you do start to see a bit of a rollover and you start to lose this area and you lose the 0.50 and the 0.618 and the golden ratio, and you come up and you basically reverse down, I do think potentially, again, lose that 1 fib at 25 and this low, you're coming down to this, the 1272 and the 1618 down here around 21 cents. So again, I mean, it's literally just a game of support and resistance. You can see how fast this crash was. Okay, so again, going from there to there, right now you can see what's trying to happen is from this low, you've come back up, you tried to push up to the 0.50, but again today you're sort of being pushed down again. So we do need to see a higher low, and to me this just looks like manipulation and just it's just uncertainty in the market, isn't it? Uncertainty. People are like, no, short it. Okay, the FTX crash, blah, blah, blah. Down there, they're like, no, buy it. It's too low. It's lost the lows, but you got to buy it in. People are all over the gaff, including myself, because I don't feel well. I really don't feel well. But yeah, guys, I've given you levels of support. I've given you levels of resistance. Actually saying that, I don't think I've mentioned where key resistance is again, why we're running into this level again. So you can see, I did say multiple times before that this 33 cent area previously was areas where you was forming higher lows, okay, and you was looking to, you know, these where you got your breakouts. So you got this level of resistance. This is a very key level of resistance right now, okay? So around the 33 cent area, 32 high 32s to low 33 cents, okay? Because what was happening before here, you coiled up in this double bottom pattern, you broke out of that, you met the technical target, you came back to it for support, but you put in a higher low and you had an A, B, C, okay? And at this point, again, you formed another ascending triangle down here, you broke out of that and you put in a higher high up here, okay, and you was forming brilliant structure, but look at you, just within 2 days you've got that capitulation down there, okay. It's crazy. Crypto is just insane. It really is. So right now, again, you can see that this point of contact is resistance. It was once support. This is where it was support, okay. We broke out, we was looking to come back and hold it as support here to continue, but we lost it, okay, and now we've run back into resistance again. So what we need to see here, again on the daily time frame, just like you did here, you had a large double bottom, okay. When you lost this area and turned it to resistance, again you had a double bottom, you broke out. So now we've lost this area, turned it to resistance. You want to see some sort of double bottom here, again looking for a breakout, very similar to these patterns, okay. And then, you know, if you start to, as I've said, you start to break out that 33 cent area, you're looking to retrace back up to that 40 cents, aren't you? Okay, so yeah guys, that's the key resistance at the moment, okay. This 32.8 cents, that's key resistance, and right now we need to hold support, as I said, with that 4 hour, I think of 28 cents it was, okay. We need to hold the 0.618 and the 0.50 that sit at 28 cents, okay. We need to hold 28 cents right now and just sort of get this confirmational push, okay, where you're coiling up like this, break out of 33, high 32, sorry, and then you're looking to retrace back up to these highs where you came down from. But again, this could be a continuation wave. You've lost the EMAs, run back into the resistance, start the reversal, and these are your lower targets down here, okay, as I've said, 23 to 21 cents. So yeah guys, that's a quick update for you today on on Algorand, forgive me. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please do like, comment and subscribe. From Chart Nerd TA, peace out.